Hello everyone, welcome to my Bulma cosplay makeup tutorial. DBZ holds a special place in my heart, so I'm happy to finally cosplay from this iconic franchise. I start with a pair of minty blue circle lenses, then prime my face. I apply foundation all over with a damp sponge until I'm happy with the coverage. Then I set everything in place with loose powder on the same sponge. I contour my face to add definition. Then apply a rosy pink blush along my cheekbones. I also use the highlight shade from the contour palette for a soft glow. To match the lenses and wig, I fill in my brows with a minty blue eyeliner pencil. I actually love how this looks. I use a spoolie to blend the pencil and more translucent / loose powder to set the brows. I place a dark brown eyeshadow in the crease, then blend it out with a lighter shade, such as taupe. I repeat the process with both eyeshadows on a smaller brush down my lower lash line. Then I use black eyeshadow to line my upper lash line. I tightline with a black eyeliner and use a white eyeliner to clean up and brighten my waterline. Then I apply mascara to my top and bottom lashes, smudging it just a bit down my lower lash line. Can we talk about how beautiful these false lashes are? I clean off my lips, then generously apply a rosy pink gloss. And of course, finish with some setting spray. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And stay tuned for my Bulma wig styling and costume tutorials coming soon. Let me know what you think down in the comment section, and if you want even spicier Bulma, subscribe to my OnlyFans. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and subscribe to my channel, TaraFYW, for more cosplay tutorials and other fun things. Make sure your notifications are turned on so you never miss a new video from me, and until next time, please take care and stay well.